This is the Super Shaker from Bmac Industries. It's a 32-inch modular, reliable, and easy-to-use unit designed and assembled in the USA. Backed by a 3-year warranty and an in-house tech support. The Super Shaker was built with high-quality, long-lasting components and designed with a primary goal: reliability through simplicity. The design of this unit allows it to be modular and space efficient. The dryer and shaker unit are separate pieces that both easily fit through any 32-inch door. Also, the modular designs allows for easy upgrades, part replacement, and servicing. Let's take a look at the features of the shaker unit. It features an adjustable heated guide plate and a lit powdering chamber. The take-up sensor is the mechanical bar right here. Opting for mechanical operation instead of using electronic sensors ensures this machine is reliable and easily serviceable. Your powder return is right here, easily accessible and machined to remove smoothly. Here we have the control panel. You can control temperature, slapper speed, and direction, as well as start and stop all functions. Moving on to the dryer, the lid is secured with latches to ensure consistency and safety. Underneath, we can see the heating elements, which provide even heating to your transfers. The drying bed is a single sheet of stainless steel designed to minimize heat loss and promote even curing. The drying fans can be lifted for access to the take-up reel, and like the entire machine, modular. The power cable can be removed to replace, repair, or upgrade them. The take-up reel is very simple. To remove your core, you just loosen the tension knobs and slide outward. Lastly, this is the 2-inch diameter inlet for fume extraction. As with any dryer, you'll want to connect this to a fume extraction system for safety. With a simplified design, high-quality parts, and long-lasting components, Bmac Industries is so confident in the reliability and dependability of its Super Shaker that they offer an industry-changing 3-year warranty. On top of that, every Bmac purchase includes direct access to support from the Arizona-based design and engineering team who created and assembled these units. Let's break down the technical specs. The electrical setup is a single-phase 220-volt 30-amp system. The complete assembled unit measures 47 inches wide by 63 inches long, with a 12-foot power cord. And each of its modular components weigh less than 300 pounds. The Bmac Super Shaker also includes a reusable Teflon leader sheet, designed to eliminate the typical waste of around 8 feet of film per machine per day, saving you over $1,200 annually. It's an essential feature that not only enhances efficiency, but also significantly boosts your bottom line. Born out of necessity and engineered by a team of experts and producers just like you. Experience the Bmac difference today. Dealer inquiries welcome. Visit bmac.com to learn more.